Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class mathematics, coordinate geometry, and in this 7.2 exercise I am doing the first problem of 7.2. Find the point which divides the line segment joining -1, 7, 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. That means let the coordinates of point P is equal to x comma y, and coordinates of A is equal to -1 comma 7, and coordinates of B is equal to 4 comma -3. According to the problem, P divides AB line segment in 2:3 ratio. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 2:3. What does this implies? M1 is equal to 2 and M2 is equal to 3. Okay. Now, you consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So, what is P of x formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. So that is equal to M1. M1 is 2 into x2, that is 4, plus M2 3 into x1 minus 1 by 2 plus 3. That is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 3 by 5. That is 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. P of 1 y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to, what is M1? M1 is 2 into y2. Y2 is -3 plus M2 is 3 into y1 is 7 by 2 plus 3. -6 plus 21 by 5. That is equal to, how much you are getting children? 15 by 5. That is 5 ones are 5 threes are. So P of y is 3. Therefore, P of x comma y, coordinates of P, is equal to x we have got 1 and this is 3. 1 comma 3 is the answer. So I hope I am clear children. You are getting coordinates of P by using the section formula. So please note down this. This is the first problem. Now the second problem is find the points of trisection of a line segment joining the points 4 comma -1 and -2 comma -3. So let us draw the diagram. I have already done so many examples and do the sums for this children. Let us consider this as A and B. Coordinates of A is 4 comma -1 and coordinates of B is -2 comma -3. Let us suppose this is P and this is Q. These are the points of trisection which are dividing it into 3 equal parts. So let us write, let points P and Q are trisecting AB line segment. So this means what? Therefore, P divides AB in C. From here to here, this is 1, and from here to here, it is 2 in 1:2 ratio. So P divides AB in 1:2 ratio. This means what you can say? M1 is equal to 1 and M2 is equal to 2. So this becomes X1, Y1. This becomes X2, Y2. So what is P of X? M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. So this is equal to M1 is 1 into X2. X2 is minus 2 plus M2 is 2 into X1 4 divided by M1 1 plus M2. How much are you getting? 1 into minus 2 plus 8 by 3. That is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. So P of X is equal to 2. So what is P of Y? M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. That is M1 is 1 into Y2 minus 3 plus M2 is 2 into Y1. What is Y1? Minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So how much I am getting? Minus 3 minus 2 by 3. That is minus 5 by 3. So you are getting P of X comma Y. Therefore, P of X comma Y is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is P of the P ratio. Coordinates of P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now let us go for Q. Q of X, Q of Y. So Q divides AB in, let us see, from here to here 2. From here to here it is 1. So Q divides AB in 2:1 ratio. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 2:1. This implies M1 is equal to 2 and M2 is equal to 1. So Q of X, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to M1 is 2 into X2 minus 2 plus M2 is 1 into X1, this is X1, 4 by 2 plus 1. So how much are you getting here? Minus 4 plus 4 by 3, that is 0 by 3. What is that? Therefore, Q of X is equal to 0. Q of Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to M1 is 2 into Y2. Y2 is minus 3 plus M2. What is M2? M2 is 1 into Y1. Y1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 6 minus 1 by 3. That is equal to minus 7 by 3. So q of y is equal to minus 7 by 3. This implies q of x comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Therefore, p coordinates, they are asking coordinates of p. Therefore, coordinates of p is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and coordinates of q is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. These two are the answers, children. Please note it down. Second problem. Now, third question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So, let me draw. This is A and B. Coordinates of A minus 3 comma 10. Coordinates of B 6 comma minus 8. Let us suppose there is a point P, and P coordinates are given as minus 1 comma 6. Now the question is, what is this ratio? So let me consider this as M1 and this as M2. So let P divides AB line segment in M1 is to M2 ratio. We are going to find out what is M1 and what is M2. So we know that, let us consider this is X1, Y1 and X2, Y2. We know that P, first let us write what are the values that are given. Coordinates of P is given as minus 1 comma 6, and coordinates of A is equal to minus 3 comma 10. We are considering this as x1, y1, and coordinates of B is equal to, what is 6 comma minus 8? This is x2 and y2. So let us find out how to find out the ratio. Let us see. I will be taking P of x. This kind of sums we have done, children, earlier. If you have got values given, then you can take any one value and do it. If you have 0, then you have to take only 0 to make your problem easy. So here I am taking minus 1. That means minus 1 is in x coordinate. So I will be taking P of x formula is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So in this case, P of x is minus 1 is equal to m1 into x2. What is x2? 6 plus m2 into x1 minus 3 by m1 plus m2. So that means minus 1 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. So let us see cross multiplication. Minus 1 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. That is minus m1 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. So let me take m2 here, or minus m1 6. When I take it here, minus 6m1 is equal to minus 3m2. m2 it goes here plus m2. That is minus 7m1 is equal to minus 2m2. So minuses will get cancelled. m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. 2 by 7 means what does this implies? M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 7. The question is, find the ratio in which line segment joining the points is divided by -1 by -1 comma 6. So we will be writing that P divides AB in 2 is to 7 ratio. This is the answer, children. This is third problem. Now the next one is fourth one. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So earlier also we have done this kind of sums. I told you that order is very important. Let me write it as A, B, C, D. A coordinate 1 comma 2, B coordinate 4 comma y, C coordinate x comma 6, D coordinate 3 comma 5. Now they said that ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore what we'll say? Diagonals bisect each other. That means AC and BD, they bisect each other. O is the point where they bisect. Therefore, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So what is midpoint of AC? Midpoint of AC is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the order pair. So let us see what is A and C. So A is coordinates of A is 1 comma 2, coordinates of C is x comma 6. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is equal to x1 is 1 plus x2 is x by 2, comma y1 is 2 plus y2 is 6 by 2. This means what, children? 1 plus x by 2, comma 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. So we will be saying this as 1 plus x by 2, comma 4. This is midpoint of AC. Now let us see what is midpoint of midpoint of BD is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So B and D. B coordinates are 4 comma 5 and D coordinates are 3 comma 5. x1 y1 x2 y2. So this is equal to x1 4 plus x2 3 by 2 and y1 y plus y2 5 by 2. This is 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So as we said, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Therefore, we will be saying that 1 plus x by 2 comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So let us take this. 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. You can cancel this. X is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. That means y plus 5 is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. These are the answers for this problem, children. This is fourth sum. Please note it down. Now, fifth problem, children. Find a point on A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 4, 1, 4. So you have got a circle, children. This is a circle. Let us consider this as center O and AB diameter. They are asking coordinates of A. Let us consider coordinates of A is x, y. And center coordinate is 2, minus 3. And B is 1, 4. So we have got AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. O is the center of the circle. Diameter of the circle I will write, and this is also center of the circle. If it is the center of the circle, then O is the midpoint of AB, because midpoint of AB. Why is it like that? Because we know that center is the exactly the middle point and B are the diameters. O will be the midpoints of AB. So what is the O of x? Therefore, O of x midpoint value. O of x is x1 plus x2 by 2. So this is coordinate of A. A is x1, y1, x2, y2. So O of x is 2 is equal to x1 is x plus x2 is 1 by 2. That means what, children? 4 is equal to x plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, A of x is equal to 3. X coordinate of A is 3. Now, O of y, coordinate of y axis. O of y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is O of y? O of y is minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to y1. Y1 here is y because it is x, y. Y plus y2. What is y2? 4 by 2. That means minus 6 is equal to y plus 4. So what is y? Y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 10. Therefore, A of y is equal to minus 10. So, coordinates of A is equal to how much? 3, minus 10. 3, minus 10. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Fifth one. Now, sixth problem, children. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4, and P divides AB such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. So let me draw a line segment AB. This is A and this is B. Coordinates of A is minus 2, 2. B is 2, minus 4. And there is a point P. Now, what is that they are saying? AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. That means what, children? AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. 3 by 7 AB means AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. So, AP is to AB. When AB is 3, AB is equal to 7. This means AP is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 7. So we want PB. What is PB? PB is nothing but AB minus AP. AB is 7 minus AP is how much? 3. That is equal to 4. Therefore, what you can say? P divides AB in AP is 3. PB is 4. 3 is to 4 ratio. AB, P divides AB in 3 is to 4 ratio. Why is it, children? Because in this problem they have given AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. That means AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. What does this imply? AP value is 3, AB value is 7. AB means from here to here it is 7. And from here to here it is a 3. That means from 7 if you subtract 3 you are getting here 4. So we are getting AP as 3, AP as 3 and PB as 4. 3 is to 4 ratio. So now we need to find out what are the coordinates. They are saying that find P, coordinates of P they are asking. So we can say that P of x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So this is equal to, what is m1 now? Here this means what? M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to 4. So 3 into x2, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x2 is 2 plus M2, what is M2? 4 into x1, x1 is minus 2 by, what is it? 3 plus 4. That is 6 minus 4 2s are 8 by 7. That is minus 2 by 7. Therefore, P of x is equal to minus 2 by 7 we have got. Now, let us go for P of y. So, P of y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So, what is m1? m1 is 3 into y2. y2 is minus 4 plus m2. What is m2? 4 into y1. What is y1? Minus 2 by 3 plus 4. That means minus 12 minus 8 by 7 means minus 20 by 7. So P of y is equal to minus 20 by 7. Therefore, coordinates of P is equal to P of x minus 2 by 7 and this is minus 20 by 7. This is the answer of sixth problem, children. Please note it down. Don't get confused here. AP by AB they have given. AB means this whole length. AP means this. So from this whole, if you subtract this, you are going to get this. So here only I have found students making mistakes. So please listen to it carefully, understand the sum, then you will be doing it properly. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my topic. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.